Hey friend, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my to-go bag, my tool bag that I bring everywhere for kind of every job. I need to change this around. This is a problematic bag. It is heavier than heck. I'm going to weigh it in this video. And here is my to-go bag. It's too heavy to pick up, really. So it's got a handle. It's got a strap. I never use a strap. It's way too heavy. I got tons of stuff in here. This is like a junk drawer of tools, but I carry it with me everywhere. Any little repair I need, anything I do, I carry this around, and I probably shouldn't. It's too heavy. Let me weigh it right now. Let me put it on the scale. All right, here it is on the scale. And here's how much it weighs. Almost 38 pounds. Okay, I need to clean this out. Here is what it looks like. And let's go through what I have in here. Almost 38 pounds. Yikes. Let me move my scale. And let's walk through what I have in here. My impact driver. I actually have multi-tool, Milwaukee multi-tool. I just started carrying this just in case, but there's the multi-tool. Let me add that to my little Empire. This is the Empire square. This Empire little square. What else do I have? Gloves, 2 pairs of gloves. I started carrying this, the contour gauge, the Empire contour gauge. I don't know why I carry it. I rarely use it. My little belt pack that I can put my pen and knife, marker and stuff on, so I can just kind of take this. This is the secondary, so I don't have to carry this everywhere. Little bag, there's a trash bag, so I can use that in case there's a leak or mud or I need to carry garbage. Some drill bits in a DeWalt case. It's weird because I've got tons of Milwaukee ones. Okay, I've got, happen to have a Ryobi tester, electrical tester, and circuit breaker. This will break the circuit, which I don't like doing, but I can test. What else I got in here? So I've got the no cut gloves, the Milwaukee cut gloves. I don't know what the cut rating is on this. Cut level 2 gloves when I use my saw. Another rag. Milwaukee bits, which have to be replaced because these dull up so quickly. I don't know about yours, but mine dull up instantly. Maybe I'm drilling the wrong garbage, but I have backup that's in here. And I have a couple more sets of these, but as soon as I go to use them, especially in like metal, these just dull up right away. Oh, and I happen to have a Harbor Freight hammer in here because I tend to lose them. And then I have some electrical connectors, some parts, some extra parts. What else do I have? A little piece of sandpaper, sanding block, a mask, some leftovers, some Gorilla construction adhesive. There's not much in here. I don't know why I'm carrying it. I've got my tape measure. Let's see if this one locks out. This one actually sticks out. My biggest complaint with these is they don't stick out. This one actually sticks out. Love when they still do that. Eventually they don't. But my Milwaukee 25-foot auto lock tape measure. What else do I have? Let's take a look. I've got my digital multimeter. This is a Harbor Freight one, so it's not very expensive. Some of these tools are not very expensive. I've got an extra bit. Somehow I put it in a bag. I've got a wrench. I think this is a Harbor Freight wrench. Milwaukee pipe wrench with clean out. This one I use pretty frequently. It works for a lot of things. trusty kind of leverage screwdriver. Use this for everything. It's been around the block. Works good for pounding. It's not, I don't think I'm ever going to be able to use this on a screw because it's been more of a chisel than anything else. And then some random screwdrivers, kind of different sizes. Oh, I've got a file in here. Oh, I have some pipe, Husky pipe, PVC pipe cutters. I use that on one of the jobs. I've got, in the cooking world, this would be a spatula, a small spatula, but it's not, it's a scraper. And this is a Harbor Freight scraper. This is a cheap one because I beat them, I use them. Milwaukee tin snips. These I need to get more proficient at. I'm actually not there good. I tend to make my tin into an ugly mess. An Empire small level magnetic, so it goes on things. Oh, another spatula. I've got Milwaukee auto lock pliers. These work pretty good. I like these. Those I put to good use. Then I have some DeWalt pliers. These are okay. I do not like the way the DeWalt lock system is. You have to push this button in. You can see they've got some use, but it's painful every time I use them. One of these days I'm just going to toss them out. I've got the Milwaukee, it's just got the model number in here. These are kind of a pain because they don't lock very well. This little locking system is kind of a pain. It comes undone really, really quick. These may get replaced, but the needle nose pliers come in fairly handy. These are a little bit chewed up, but not bad. Harbor Freight scissors. You never know what you're going to cut, and you don't care if you lose them. Another screwdriver. Another little wrench. Tiny little wrench. Another screwdriver. These are more used for leverage than anything else. Some DeWalt pliers. These are lineman pliers. You need lineman pliers. Actually may replace these because I found another pair I liked. Little wire cutters. Strippers. And then I have some odds and ends on the side. So I've got pencils. Got several pencils. I always lose my pencils. This is a new knife. These are my favorite Milwaukee flip knives. I use a lot of these, and I use them for everything, and sometimes I get them all gummed up and I have to replace them, but this one has not been used much because it doesn't flip as quickly. It's a little stiff, but these are some of my favorites. What else? So I've got some tape, electrical tape. I have some plumber's tape. I have blue tape, painter's tape. I've got more pencils on this side. I love using pencils. I've got some markers. These happen to be Milwaukee. This is Milwaukee Inkzol. They have their own name to them. But when you buy them in bulk, they come in cheap. And these little screwdriver set. So tiny ones whenever you have a tiny job. And then on the bottom, I just started carrying my bits around. Pull this off. And this is the bit set that went on sale. I think it said so many pieces. There's really not that many pieces in here. I don't want to dump it out, but there's not that many. So, and this has come pretty handy because typically I've thrown my bits in a bag or on the bottom of the bag and you're always fishing for them. Or I have another bit set similar to this container. And these I hate because they pinch my fingers. I constantly get my fingers pinched. But this is, I just started carrying this. And I need to add more to it. I've got a lot more that I should add since I'm carrying it around with me. And because it's the pack out and this bag is the Milwaukee pack out, it fits right on the bottom. But then again, I'm not making my stuff light. Let's see. This way, yep. And then it snaps together and you just kind of carry it with you pack out wise. So it works pretty good. My bag's way too heavy. I've got way too much stuff in it. This is a good time for me to clean it out. What does your to-go bag look like? Is it as messy as mine? Oh, I forgot to even tell you. I have blades. So there's a couple zip pouches. This has more, what's in here? Oh, I got more crap. So I got the DeWalt angle driver, which comes in handy. I've got some extra gloves. I've got some extra masks in here. I actually forgot this was in here. Need this. Never opened this one. It doesn't really fit very well. Blades. So I have Sawzall blades. I have multi-tool blades. I have tons of Sawzall blades in here. I've got more than I need. Lots of Sawzall blades. This is just a handful of them. So I've got lots of Sawzall blades. Since I kind of carry this bag everywhere, which I shouldn't, then I have some bits, long bits in here. I don't use that very often, but I've got a lot of bits, blades that go right in there. And that's about it. Some lingering pieces on the bottom. So what is in your to-go bag? What do you carry? I need to be more efficient. I need to be lighter. 38 pounds is a lot to just kind of lug around. Plus most of the time, I'm bringing a lot of other bags with me. This is my to-go, so I can count on it for different things. But there's other bags I need. I think I bought, to fix the garage door, I think I brought 5 bags or 5 containers with me. Too many, too much stuff. I need to condense it. I like this Milwaukee Pack Out tool bag. It's heavy, empty. And then let alone with everything in it. I probably need to use the straps, which I've never used. Probably need to use the straps more often. It might be easier to carry. But tell me, what does your to-go bag look like? What does your carry bag look like? And then I've got carry bags for different things, from plumbing to electrical, all those other things. I have different bags. This is kind of my universal bag, kind of will touch most of everything. So I appreciate you watching. Let me know what's in your bag. Help me out. Help me make this smaller, slimmer, easier, and more efficient. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.